Alright, this is waterboarding, new and improved. We are going through 2x6, got a gap, water jug, another 2x6, then 2 more water jugs, another 2x6, and another water jug just in case the bullet actually makes it all the way through to catch the bullet. Here we go. We are not using full metal jackets on these tests. These are all soft tips, hunting loads, things like that, so it should not penetrate all this at all. But there we go. This is waterboarding. Alright, here we go. 4570 long Colt. Here we go. 4570 government. This is a 300 grain semi-jacketed hollow point Winchester Super X. And this muzzle velocity is 1,880 feet out the muzzle with energy of 2,355 pounds. And here we go. Let's see how it's going to do. Alright, 4570. Obliterated one of the jugs. And I'm assuming from our test, that little hole is the exit wound. That front is the blast. Carried wood into the jug. There is some of the copper from the bullet, but we do have there is lid shavings in there, and we have our next bullet, which it went. There's no sign of it. Okay, again, it did go in, came through. As you can see, held its trajectory through the first board, through the water jug, and into the second board, which that is a good sign for a bullet on penetration. It ain't gonna veer off. Again, I guess once it came out the last board, it was already, opened up, so that's what caused it to veer out. Flew out in shards, like a shotgun. But there we go. That is 4570.